Hello guys, and welcome back in the part 2 of the light tank tutorial on how to texture. So let's start. The first part is to texture the actual model and assign the material. So how we will do it? We create a basic material for the whole tank. When this material is set up, we go to the material tab, add a new material on the object material, the material of the object, not the whole material. For the new material, create an actual new material. I renamed the base material to base light tank. So when we create this new material, we can modify it to resemble another part of the object that we are texturing. So I put a simple principal shader with a color and the metallic all the way up to 1. So I look at some reference, I looked at the other previews of the episode. When I have the texture that I want, I select the actual object that I want, the actual part of the mesh that I want to be textured, and click on Assign. Now the next material that I put is on fast forward to not waste time doing the same thing over and over. So I created the wall texture. I'm not so much happy with the texture, but it's a fairly good one. So it's not the best of the best, but it's my first time that I texture an actual model. So I think it's great for this episode. I apologize to not activating the screencast key, but the program crashed in the previous part of the registration, so I deleted the registration, but I didn't remember to reactivate the screencast on Blender. So this is ended. I started to do some rendering, opening Unity to import it on the Unity. So I changed the rotation because Unity automatically put the rotation of an object to minus 90 degree. I don't know why, but it do it. So we reset the position at minus 90 degree, and then we put the model in the actual correct position. We export it as an FBX. We check the is selected object and the only mesh. Then we import and we modify it. We create a new empty game object. In this object, we give it a name, and inside it, I will put the actual mesh. Now, it creates some problem because it needs to have some texture. Now I reset the transform. So I created the whole material and I assigned them in the model imported. So I assigned all the material, and when I click apply, this will be applied to my model, so I can see it in the actual screen. Don't put a pure black because it absorbs all the color. For the last thing is to put the normal bias to 0. Otherwise you will see some light passing through the model. Thanks for watching, we will see you next time.